第六，厝。A. 恁厝有偌济人 ？B. 请恁来阮厝坐。C. 这毋是阮厝，是王先生因厝。第七，遮。A. 恁太太无来遮。B. 带女士，请你坐遮。
Please sit here, Ms. Chua. Note, J-ja. We may also say J-D-ja. D is frequently omitted before ja.
C. 你的册伫我遮。
I have your book. Your book is with me here. To express, with me here, at my place. Say, dewaja.
D. 你要讲啥物？请你来遮讲。第九个 A. 因两个人买去，我毋去。B. 老师有5个，有一个无来。C. 有一个窗仔门枵袂关，你去关。D. 有2个学生讲要去新竹。10. 遐 A. 你若要买，请你去遐买。B. 我要去因遐，你要去无？
I'm going over to his house. Are you going?
C. 林先生，陈太太有伫恁遐无？ D. 你的册伫我遐。
Your book is at my house, or in my office. Spoken away from my home or office.
1. 恁太太伫阮遐，甲阮太太在讲话。
Your wife is at my house talking with my wife.
11. 好无 ？A. 你的笔互我写，好无 ？B. 我要去中华买物件，你甲我去，好无 ？C. 你若来阮厝，我请你食饭，好无 ？D. 阮厝无咖啡，有茶米茶，啉茶米茶，好无？好，我真爱啉茶米茶。茶米茶我无啥物爱啉，有滚水无？